Welcome to day 21 of Christmas Countdown with Petershams Millinery. My name is John and we have another one to open, so let's crack on after this intro. So let's see what this note says. So, to add to the vintage selection, we have a whole range of unique trims to make every milliner's dream come true. We love the edge of this stud trim you could add to any piece, and also the way it catches the lights. Okay, so we're about to open this up. Ooh. So we have some. This is gorgeous. So we have, I think that's a meter of this. I don't know what it is. Let me just see if I can find what it's called. Okay, so this is the vintage metallic faux stud trim in 1 meter length. And we have the blue faux stud trim and the pink faux stud trim, and this is £2 per meter. These are gorgeous, and and obviously I'll put a close up now so you can actually see these, and these are just beautiful. And once again, like the other trim that we had on the card, this would be really nice for edging on like bias edging. Ooh, maybe not. It's maybe not. Oh, could work, but it would look really nice as the stud trim, just flat as it is like this. Ooh, these are beautiful. These are beautiful. So that will go with our collection of items just there. So today's question of the day is, where did you study? So I did my millinery study with Leeds College of Art. I think it's now Leeds Art University. So I studied HNC in millinery at Leeds College of Art. My tutor was Sharon Bainbridge, and she's great. Like, she pushed you in a gentle way to be better, and I'm forever thankful for Sharon for allowing me to join the course and study the millinery course, because now my life is millinery. My life is all about hats and millinery and all this, and I just wouldn't have had something that I was made to do, if that makes sense. Like, I've always wondered, I've always had this creativeness inside me, and I've never had found the area and the arena to focus that creativity, and millinery is definitely the thing for me. So thank you. And sadly they no longer do it. I do believe Morley College, Kensington, Chelsea do millinery, but they're both in London. Other than that, I'm not sure really where else you can actually study like an actual education in millinery. So yeah, that's where I studied. Getting down to the final bit now, so thank you for joining me so far. All the items so far in this journey will be listed in the description box below. I have got so many amazing things. I just, my brain is like, what do I do with all this stuff? As always, all my social media is linked in the description box below, and please make sure you subscribe to this channel. It really does help. And if you're already subscribed, hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. Only 4 days left, so I'll see you tomorrow at 8 PM for the next unboxing of this advent calendar. Bye.